Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can replace your folder from one place to another. So I will show you two different ways. So first way is you just click with two fingers on your folder you want to copy and just click choose copy here. Here you can see copy second, it's name of our folder, and go where you want to paste it. So for example, I want to paste it into documents. Just click two times and choose paste item. And you will see that we successfully paste our folder. Here we copy it. So first copy is here and second copy is here on in our documents. So second way is you just get so I will delete from here, move to trash, just delete it, and just get this folder and press your touch, and don't take your finger from touch, and just move folder to documents, and just get up your finger, and you will see that we successfully moved our we not copied but moved our folder from one place, from our desktop to our documents. So this is two different ways, but you know, in first way you just create copy of your folder, and in second way you just replace your folder, so it's only one original your folder, not copy, and you get it to your documents. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.